I'm gonna share with you how can you share your offer, your package with your audience by creating a simple story video and talking about your coaching program, your offer, and get people to click the link and schedule a call with you so they can enroll with you as your coaching client. Watch this video right now. This video is part of our 7-day content creation challenge that you can sign up down below completely for free. You also become part of our Facebook group community where you get content creation feedback. And through the 7-day content creation challenge, you're gonna learn the weekly ideal lead generation content schedule for your online coaching practice. Make sure to sign up for it right now or at the end of this video so you can go through the complete 7 days of content creation and you can become part of our community mastermind as well. Let's get started now with today's content creation example. Today we are going to produce a promotional content piece that we're gonna publish on Stories and give people the link there so they can schedule a call with us to work with us through our offer that we will introduce to them. The promotional topic is gonna be, here is how it will look like and this is what will happen to you when you sign up to work with me. Are you ready? ? Schedule a call with me, right? So that's something that we're gonna now incorporate into this short video story script that I'm gonna introduce to you. The format, we're gonna publish this short video on our story and then we're gonna also link it to our highlights of our stories so people always can click on that highlight icon on our Instagram. We're gonna call it work with me or anything like that. So this story is gonna always stay there and many more people can see it thereafter. This is the production workflow of how you're gonna do this. Write a few bullet point video script at first so you're gonna know what to talk about in your story, and I gave you the template example already here. You're gonna simply say, here is how it will look like and what will happen to you when you sign up to work with me. I do run the name of the program, coaching program that helps you lose weight, for example. If you attend it and you work with me through it, you will be able to achieve these 3 things. For example, 3 deliverables, right? Know about the nutrition fundamentals, how to exercise correctly, and how to be consistent with doing these 2 things over and over again, just making it up. But you can go more into detail of these deliverables here. This is also the container through which we're gonna do it. For the next 12 weeks, we're gonna meet 1 time a week, and on each session, I'm gonna provide you with some templates and ask you questions and coach you through your work progress, right? If you are ready to work with me through this or learn more about what does this collaboration include, schedule a call, schedule a game plan or an assessment or an audit or introductory or strategy call down below with me by clicking this link. And the link will take them to your Calendly scheduling page where they can schedule a call with you. All of this is gonna be in your stories, and probably if this is gonna be longer than 1 minute, potentially 1 or 2 minutes or so, we're gonna split it in a few stories so you can actually publish it on stories because they cannot be more than a minute long for 1 story. So it's gonna need to be split. I'm gonna show you how to edit this video in a proper way. There is my example now. I'm not gonna read you through it, but I'm gonna demonstrate it live to you how I recorded it, and then I'm also gonna show you a tutorial video of how I edited it and published it on my stories. Enjoy. Now I'm gonna record a short video clip that's gonna go on my stories. So I explain people what my offer is, what my program is, and how can they take action. And also I'm gonna highlight this video, story video, in my highlights, right? Because it's gonna go on stories, so it's always gonna stay in my highlights on Instagram. Let's record this video right now. Here on my screen I have the flow of the script of what I need to say, right? And I need to begin with the introduction. Here is how it will look like and what will happen to you if you sign up to work with me, and then I need to elaborate on that idea and explain about my program and few deliverables, and at the end I need to of course the inclusions as well, and at the end I need to say a call to action to tell people to book schedule a call with me to speak about it. So let's introduce them to my program right now. I can read now. So you see, I put this on my screen camera below, and on top I have put the script, so I can actually read now. So that's a really cool thing. And I'm gonna probably walk around here a little bit so I have more space. Here is how it is gonna look like if we work together, and what will happen to you when you sign up to work with me in my Premium Life Launchpad coaching program. The program that I have created is a one-on-one coaching program and also a group mastermind, and it helps you to become consistent with social media marketing and client enrollment, and so that you become a full-time online coach. If you attend it, you will be able to achieve these few things. First of all, we're gonna make sure that you do have a higher valued online coaching program or an offer for you, which you can charge a larger amount of money. Then we're gonna learn about the most ideal weekly content creation schedule and how can you become consistent with publishing on social media. This content is gonna generate a response, the leads, right? And then we're gonna learn how to. You see, if you do a mistake, you just need to repeat, and then we're gonna cut this out, right? The content pieces that you're gonna be posting on social media will generate certain response from your audience. This is gonna generate leads. Okay, speak soon. I cannot wait to meet you, and I'm excited to do some great things together for our online businesses. Let's go! Right, so you can see that this was more like a free-flowing chat, recording conversation that I had, and I don't mind. I just put things out there, and then people always do comment, reply, take action, book calls, and things just work well. I'm gonna show you how to edit this promotional video that you have recorded. So I'm gonna take the video that I recorded before in CapCut now, because we need to cut it because I did some mistakes. Now let's crop it first. Split, and then delete this previous one, and that's how it. Here is how it is gonna look like if we work together. Other very cool things from running your own podcast, doing the keyword research for SEO, So you see, I did mistake quite a few times. I need to cut them out, right? To do some great things together for our online businesses. Let's go! Remove this ending as well, and this is it. Now we got the video. Now we need to also put some titles under here, so that's another story. Now I'm gonna generate text out of captions so people can also read if they want to. We're gonna start this now. Here is how it is gonna look like if we work together. So this is edited now, the text is all good, and I'm gonna export this now to my phone. This is a 3-minute video now, so it's gonna need to be like 3 stories, which means that I'm gonna need to break it down and post it 3 times to the stories now. So I'm gonna take it back to CapCut, a 3-minute video version, and I'm gonna just chop it at 1 minute, right, 3 times and re-export it, and I'm gonna have 1-minute videos ready then. Now all three 1-minute videos are out, so we're gonna go to Instagram now, and we're gonna publish them one after another. We're just gonna go with the first video first. Here is how it will look like together, and what will happen when you sign up together. So I'm just gonna publish this to the story right now. Then we're gonna publish this second video. So now I'm just gonna go get my strategy call, consultation call link, and I do have it saved here in my bookmarks. Down below there is booking a strategy session link, copy it. You see, that's why it's awesome to have all of these things in your bookmarks bar, right? And we're gonna go here, and I think I'm just gonna put the link right through all of the story. Call it schedule a call. and we just put it here. And I usually just put this kind of click link here as well. And here we go. And this has been published to my story now, and I'm promoting my offer, my coaching program on my stories, and people can book a call with me. The last thing now that we're gonna do is we're gonna add these 3 stories that we just posted to our Instagram profile highlights, right? So how you do that is you go to this highlight, right? And we're gonna put it to our offers, but I need to go rename there, right, to change it. So that was the first one. We need to highlight these 2 offers as well. And then the third one, we need to wait so it comes up. But let's go now back to my profile. And the offers here, gonna have this video now. So we need to rename this Join PLL program, right? And then I'm gonna need to also go, and we need also to put the third one there. There you go. This is the third one. Highlight to join Premium Live program. So now on my profile, people will have here Join PLL on the left, Premium Live Launchpad. Then they will have Q&A, group, whatever, case studies, YouTube channel work. I need to update the core 4 of these guys because they are new. So, all right, so people can then click here, look, and they will land on my Calendly scheduling link, so they can book an online coaching business growth game plan session. Select the day and book a call, and that's how I get clients, right? Makes sense? Recording saved. Makes sense? Just cut it there, bro. Makes sense? Here we go. Hopefully you enjoyed this example of how to produce a value-driven lead generation content piece that I shared with you today. This video excerpt is part of our 7-day content creation challenge that you can attend for free, where I teach you how to follow an ideal weekly content creation lead generation schedule that's gonna attract potential clients out of your audience and generate leads and generate conversations for you as an online coach. If you would like to go through the complete 7-day content creation challenge and receive the daily content piece creation frameworks, make sure to sign up for it at 7daychallenge.primozlazar.com, and you're gonna become part of our Facebook group community as well, where you can post your content pieces and we can provide you with free feedback on your content creation. Do that right now, and I cannot wait to see you becoming productive and consistent with your content creation, and more importantly, getting feedback from your audience and getting that response that you need so these people can book calls with you and enroll with you as your clients. Make sure to sign up for the challenge so you can learn how it all works and you can get started for free right now.